Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country style cottage home decor ideas. Let's take a look. Country style cottage home decor is a cozy, rustic and charming interior design style inspired by traditional rural homes, especially those found in English or French countryside. It's characterized by warmth, comfort, and a mix of vintage and handmade elements. Here are some detailed tips to help you achieve that authentic country cottage style in your home. Mix and match for character. Combine different patterns like florals, stripes, and checks, but keep them in a similar color palette. Don't worry about everything matching perfectly. A bit of mismatched charm adds character. Use reclaimed or weathered wood. Add rustic wooden beams, a reclaimed wood coffee table, or weathered shelves. Whitewashing wood can enhance the cottage look. Incorporate soft lighting. Use table lamps, wall sconces, and candelabras with warm toned bulbs. Avoid harsh overhead lighting. Instead, layer your light sources for a cozy glow. Open storage. Use open shelves in kitchens to display pretty crockery, glass jars, and cookbooks. Baskets, crates, and antique style containers are both decorative and practical. Bring the outdoors in. Use fresh or dried flowers, potted plants, and natural elements like pine cones or branches. Botanical prints on fabric or wall art also add to the theme. Choose classic cottage fabrics. Look for ticking stripes, tall, gingham, and faded florals. Linen and cotton in neutral or faded tones give a soft, airy feel. Soft, comfortable furniture. Pick plush sofas and armchairs with slip covers. Stuffed cushions, overstuffed pillows, and ruffled skirts enhance coziness. Traditional details, shiplap walls, bedboard paneling, and farmhouse sinks are great structural touches. Choose traditional style hardware like porcelain knobs or old iron handles. Embrace imperfection. Slightly worn furniture, chipped paint, and vintage finds add soul and charm. It's about feeling warm and welcoming, not perfectly polished. Layer rugs for warmth. Use jute, braided, or faded oriental rugs on wood floors. Layering rugs add texture and warmth, especially in living rooms and bedrooms. Create Create cozy nooks. Add a small reading corner with a comfy chair, side table, and soft lighting. Window seats with cushions and truss are classic cottage features. Use vintage and antique finds. Flower markets and thrift stores are great places for old mirrors, clocks, picture frames, and crockery. Mix old with new to create a curated, lived-in feel. Keep walls light and airy. Opt for white, cream, or soft pastel walls to brighten the space and make it feel open. If you want pattern, go for vintage style wallpaper in a small floral or tile prints. Repurpose with creatively. Turn old leathers into towel racks or shelving. Use a farmhouse table as a kitchen island or a trunk as a coffee table. Add a fireplace or wood stove, real or fox. A rustic fireplace creates an instant cottage vibe. Even a fox mantle with candles or lanterns can add charm. Use curtain alternatives. Try cafe curtains, lace panels, or even repurposed vintage linens. Broad pocket or tie top curtains in light, flowy fabrics keep things soft and breezy. Hang peg rails, a classic country feature, perfect for hanging baskets, aprons, hats, or dried herbs. They add both function and rustic style to entryways, kitchens, or bathrooms. Decorate with seasonal touches, soak in fresh flowers in spring, wildflowers in summer, pumpkins in fall, or greenery in winter. Feature a farmhouse sink, especially in the kitchen. A deep apron front sink is iconic and practical. Install bedboard or wainscoting, great for bathrooms, hallways, or kitchen backsplashes. Paint it in soft white, cream, or a dusty pastel for instant cottage charm. Incorporate ironstone or mismatched china. Display collections of white ironstone, vintage plates, or teacups. Open shelves or a glass front cabinet are perfect places to show off them. Use soft trim-on paint colors. Think chalky finishes, muted tones, and milk paint. Colors like dusty rose, palatious, antique blue, and watery yellow work beautifully. Add rustic wall hooks or racks. Use antique or cast iron hooks for hanging straw hats, bags, or cozy scarves. It's both decorative and functional. Include a touch of whimsy, add a quirky weathered sign, and hand-painted piece of furniture or a floral teapot used as a vase. Little playful details keep the space feeling homey and personal. Add leather decor, linen wooden ladder against a wall to hang quilts, straws, and dried flowers. Paint or distress it to match your color palette. Install a butcher block countertop. Especially in kitchens, it adds warmth and a farmhouse feel. Pairs beautifully with white cabinetry and vintage hardware. Use skirt storage. Instead of cabinet drawers, add a gathered fabric skirt under sinks, in laundry rooms, or bathroom vanities. This softens the look and adds a vintage charm. Hang a plate wall. Display a collection of mismatched floral plates or transfer wire on a blank wall. It's a traditional and eye-catching feature in dining or kitchen areas. Repurpose furniture creatively. Use an old dresser as a bathroom vanity or a sideboard as a kitchen island. Add vintage custards or a fresh coat of chalk paint to update without losing charm. Embrace soft clutter, the good kind. Cottage style isn't minimalist. It welcomes layered items, sticks of books, bowls or bottoms, baskets of linens. Just keep it tidy and intentional to avoid looking messy. Thanks for watching the video.